Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to activate your Netspend prepaid card from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to activate your Netspend prepaid card from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in netspend.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Netspend prepaid card activate like this and hit enter, and on the first result of Google you can see the activate your card by Netspend prepaid account. Click over there, and on the first result we are on the home page of Netspend. Now to activate your Netspend's prepaid card, you can see the activate card on the top right corner of the screen. Click on activate card, and on the second tab from the search result of Google we are on the direct activation page of Netspend, and on the first tab we are here from the home page of Netspend. So let's close one of these since it's the same site. Now to activate your Netspend's prepaid card from over here, you'll be required to enter your card number over here, and after that enter your security code over here. And with card number literally means the 16-digit number on the front side of your card, and the security code means the CVV or number, which is the 3-digit number on the back side of your card. Enter it over here and click on continue, and on the next step you will be required to enter the expiry date of your Netspend's prepaid card, and then your Netspend's prepaid card will be activated. And so guys, this is how you activate your Netspend's prepaid card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.